Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on here and give you a quick review on this really awesome 4-in-1 playpen for small children. So parents, if you have little ones and you need your hands to get some rest, I highly recommend you watch through this entire video. This playpen comes with a very nice carrier bag that has everything you need in it and very easy to take it with you anywhere. To assemble, you will open up the playpen and press down on the bed rails and then push on the bottom of the floor to lock everything in place. Then you will place the very comfortable floor mat that goes inside of the playpen, and it also comes with a very awesome baby bassinet that is very easy to install, and it has 2 little toys and a hood over it. The bed of this bassinet is very soft and the cushion is very comfortable, and it also comes with a very large storage bag where you can place on any sides of the playpen, which has a lot of room for any baby bottles or any diapers or wipes. And of course, a baby changing station, which is very awesome. You don't have to go anywhere. It is right there with you, and the padding is waterproof. So in case if you have any leaks or spills or any accidents, it is super easy to clean up. My baby is 8 months old and she just perfectly fits into the changing station. Very comfortable to lay in. And also the baby bassinet is a perfect size. So if your baby does fall asleep when you are cooking or if you're playing, very easy to transfer into the bassinet for them to sleep for the time being. Also very safe, so you don't have to worry about your baby falling out of the bassinet. I love this pack and play so much because it has made my life so much easier. I have this set up in my living room and I don't have to go far. My babies are always with me and they can play and sleep, and very easy to change them. Also, the material is very breathable and very comfortable, and my babies love to play in it. So parents, if you are looking for the perfect 4-in-1 pack and play or playpen, I highly recommend this one because it has everything that you need. And it is also very affordable. It is portable, so perfect for traveling. The quality is phenomenal, so I highly recommend.